Welcome guys, thanks for tuning in. We're here today in a counterintelligence job here that we're actually templating out a special kitchen. This is a round countertop, almost like a half a circle, as you can see here in the video. I'm here with Steve. He's the owner of this house that actually he bought it to flip it. It had a really horrid kitchen. You'll see in the previews to this video. And we basically redid this countertop, very unique countertop. As you can see, it's like almost a full circle. But Steve, if you wouldn't mind just telling me what was it that led you to counterintelligence and how your experience was like with the process, like getting this done, and was it easy to sell?
Well, my sister-in-law deals with a lot of quartz, marble, and other companies that do countertops. And this is the first time we dealt with you guys' counterintelligence, and it was an amazing product that it's thin enough and it's durable. And for this strange shape that we had to put in here, we couldn't go with anything like marble, or it would be too cut up in too many pieces.
It'd be a bunch of pieces if it was marble, because you got to buy a slab and cut them in, whereas we basically built this all in one piece and then poured it as a single unit. So it looks like it's a single slab if you walk through the video here. We got a drop-in stove, a drop-in sink. It came out really nice. I love what you did with the tile on the backsplash all the way up to the ceiling, running them vertical instead of sideways, which is pretty unique, but it really pulls everything together because of the straight lines and the marble work. Did a great job on the cabinets and the floors. And any trouble selling the house? How long?
Nope, it didn't take but a couple weeks to sell the house. So
very cool.
It was a selling point, the whole kitchen, because the ladies love kitchens. So
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we raised the ceiling a little bit, put in some new lights. All the appliances are new, and really it just came out really nice. It was a very unique project. We had a great time doing it. The installation took about 6 sets of arms to pull it off, but we got this thing in here after taking the blades off the ceiling fan, and we didn't have to modify any walls, at least except for that one. So
true.
And then, so I hear you just moved after you sold this. You got another place.
Yep.
And maybe we might be able to do that countertop as well.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one over there. And this was a great experience, and you guys did a great job.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time.